bit beautiful looking up to a spot like this, enjoying the day sunrise, having a coffee. It's pretty amazing, pure calmness of nature. I'm contemplating if I should stay on one more day here. I don't have to be out of here till 12 o'clock. I need to change my brake pads, and I'm gonna change my rear brake pad because it's pretty done. If I decide to stay, I'm gonna do the front brake pads too. Yesterday I went to Canadian Tire and bought this water repellent, and I'm gonna spray my boots because it seems like it's take the water in from right up here. But after all this rain, even Gore-Tex, I mean, it has its limits. So I'm gonna spray that a few times, let it out here in the sun dry, and hopefully it will work. And last time when I dropped my bike, my pan got all dent. But I didn't bother fixing it, but since I have the time now, I'm just gonna do that. And also have a bag of rice, and it got ripped. Repair times at the campsite. But I mean, it gives you something to do, so kill some time. And I knew I'm gonna need the brake pads, so by changing them now, it's gonna save me a little bit of weight because these things, they add up to the weight. So let's get started. We just have to be a little bit careful. We don't lose anything here, out here in the dirt. Losing stuff on the dirt is hard to find afterwards. And when you do your rear brake, make sure there's a little pin right here that sits right there. So make sure you don't lose that. They still have a little bit of life left in them, but I'm gonna change them anyways. And then you have these little shields here. We're just gonna, these ones, gonna transfer them to the new ones. Also, I noticed from these EBC brakes, they don't have the little dust cut. It's just solid, but it is what it is. Everything else looks good. All right, my friends, the rear brake is all done. It's good and solid. I'm gonna double check the front brakes too, just in case I need to change them. I think they still have a little bit more life in them, but I'm just gonna double check since we are here doing this. And the front brakes are so much easier to do because all you have to do is just pop up the two bolts, kind of shake the caliper to open up the brake pads a little bit. You just pop out the brake pads and put them in. Where the rear is a little bit more technical. The left side, it gives me a little bit of a hard time. The bottom bolt doesn't want to unscrew, and I don't want to strip it. Kind of stripped, but now my other option is take the wheel off and insert them from in there. Always something. Nothing can go solid, right? And just when I thought it would be just a simple brake change, right? So we had to go to option B, but finally it's done. 10 minutes, 15 minutes later, but I don't know why we had to go through that extra. But I guess nothing can be easy, right? No easy peasy for me, but that's done though. Everything else is good now. I just lubricated the chain. I checked the oil, it's good to go. And we go from there, just enjoy nature. Away from city noises and cell phone beepings. Okay, that's it. I'm just gonna collect some wood for the campfire. Small pieces, but Look at these things. Jeez. Look like aliens. And our meal for the evening. Some rice with some spices and some tono. Simple stuff, camp stuff. Ooh. It's solid cold. Ooh. Oh my. Breathe. That feels so good. Ooh, amazing. Well, my friends, it has been a wonderful and in-tuned day. Today I was very in tune with nature. It was very beautiful, good for the soul. I really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed this campsite with a little private beach. Soon we're gonna have campfire. I'm just waiting for the sun a little bit to go down. And we're at the Sugar Lake, just outside Cherrysville. Beautiful spot, beautiful. I love it. One of my favorite spots. And apparently, right across there, there's more camp spots. And maybe on that side it's a little bit better because you have the sun set on that side. Out here, when the sun hides behind the mountain, it starts getting a little bit chilly. I had a little chat with my neighbors, and I met Dave, the guy that runs the campsites. He's an awesome guy too. Evening will come and we'll go to sleep. And tomorrow we're gonna hit the road. And most likely we might head towards Nanushk, I believe it's called. And we decide. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace. She went to go fishing, and the dog went and grabbed her paddleboard safety, whatever you call it, and he's pulling her back. That's awesome. What's that, Ranger?